Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 50, using coordinates to find a location on a map, reading and drawing a pictograph. So a few days ago we used atlases and we had flags with lines of symmetry. So atlases is a map that shows the different continents. Each country is located on one of 7 different continents. So the name of the continents are North America, and that's where we live. South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica down here. Okay, those are the 7 continents. Right? And the flags come from some of the countries on that map. For example, the flag of Italy comes from this country right here, which is Italy. Okay. Now in your books, you will see that it will tell you that Italy is located at 8F4. What that means is to turn your atlas to page 8, and then that it would be located at F4 on the map. So a map is divided into quadrants, or into pieces, okay? And so the pieces would be 1, 2, 3, 4 on the side, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, etc. Okay? So if it says Italy is located at F4, I would follow my line from F down until it lines up with the 4. And we can see Italy is right here. Now it's also part in the other sections, but the part we're worrying about is right here. Okay, so F4 is Italy. Now the Netherlands tells us that it's on page 9 at E3. So we're going to use the same map for the Netherlands so you can see it. So if we have it at E3, we'd follow the 3 over and with the E down, and where they intersect is the Netherlands. So the Netherlands is in here, in this section. Okay, and that's how you would find a place on a map. Okay, now the second part is about drawing pictographs. Okay, when we draw a pictograph, it's easiest to begin with the item that has the most. So in this case, we have the number of children in each class. Okay, when we look at a pictograph, we always look at the title first because that tells us what we're looking at. Okay, so then we look to see there's a key. A key tells us how many people or things each picture stands for. So a smiley face equals 2 children. Okay. So in room 10, how many children are there? Well, we're going to count by 2s. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So room 10 has 22 children in it. What about room 11? So let's count and see how many there are in room 11. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. But here I have half of a smiley face. So since it's half of a smiley face, that must mean that I only have 1 student for that picture. So it was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, plus 1 is 17 children. And in room 12, let's count. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So room 12 has 20 children in it. Okay, so we can find out how many more children room 12 has than room 10 by seeing how many more pictures there are. So room 10 than room 12, I mean. So in room 10 has 1 more smiley face than room 12, which means that room 10 has 2 more children. Okay. All right, so we're going to draw a picture to show the number of children in our class. So our room, let's say our room is room 13. Okay. And we have 25 students. So that means I'm going to have to draw 12 smiley faces and then 1 half a smiley face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's 24. And then I have to draw half a smiley face for 25. Right. This next pictograph shows us the number of chairs in each class. And a chair represents 4 chairs. Okay. So on room 10, how many chairs do they have? Well, we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So there are 28 chairs in room 10. What about room 11? Well, we have we're at 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16. And then we have half of a chair. So since one whole chair is 4 chairs, that means half of a chair would be 2 chairs. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18 chairs in this room. Okay, what about room 12? So in room 12, oops, forgot the things. Yep, okay. So the last one, count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and we've got a little bit more. That looks like it's like maybe a fourth of a chair, so maybe that stands for 1 chair. So this would mean that we have 29 chairs in room 12. Okay, so how many more chairs are there in room 12 than room 10? Well, room 10 has 28, 12 has 29, so there's just 1 more chair. Okay, and then from room 11 to room 10, we have 10 more chairs. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.